Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV channel, Life with Liv. And on today's video, we're gonna talk about my skincare regime. Okay guys, this video I feel like is long overdue. I always love to hear what people use for skincare and their whole regime. Everyone's different, but I like to hear if there's like a new good product or something I should try. So I really wanted to do this video. Again, I'm working with my girlfriend who runs the Remedi Wellness and Spa. She is so informative. I've told you in my other videos, and she's got me on like a whole skincare regime. I think I told you in a couple of videos back that I kind of had some breakouts, you know, this is a stressful time and I had other things going on, and she's kind of helped me get my skin back on track. So I want to just share the few things that I use, and let's go from there. Okay, so for the most part, for my day and night skincare routine, I'm just using the brand Zoe and SkinCeuticals. So I start with a gentle cleanser by Zoe, and this is really, really gentle. My skin is kind of sensitive, so I've figured that out, that a gentle cleanser is the best for me. And then you're gonna go right into, you know, every 2 days, depending on your skin type. I'm combination skin. I feel like I'm dry and oily, if that makes sense. Anyone else out there? So then secondly, I go to the exfoliating polish. I'm gonna try to show you here. It feels so good. It's nice, pretty blue color, but it has that nice like little grit to it that isn't too rough, but you really feel like you actually are exfoliating. And then after that guy, I go in with a renewal pad. So this is like your toning. I found, you know, it's trial and error, you guys, with your regime, but I do this only every like 2 days maybe, or 3, because I feel like it dries my skin out a little bit, but I do like this when it's time to put on the like toning. And then for me, I'm gonna go into, there's so many things. You know how you like do different things different nights, so I don't want to confuse you, but the next thing that I do is I put on a little concoction that Walla made me of hyaluronic acid. For me, I've just fallen in love with it. I don't know why. It's like a moisturizer basically. It's hydrating for your skin. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like placebo or something, but I feel like it's doing my skin wonders. So obviously there's tons of brands that make a hyaluronic acid, but she made me a nice little concoction. And then I go right into my SkinCeuticals blemish and age defense. So this is like a corrector. So this is good for aging skin and imperfections. Really love this, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's called Blemish and Age Defense. I'm in love. This is a good one.